Look at this music video.
Never let go of my hand. So why are you waking up in another's land? All of my dreams.
The song, the lyrics, the cinematic visuals, and even the character singing, everything you are seeing and hearing was created 100% with AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Learn Up. If you've ever wanted to create original music and a professional video, but don't know how to play an instrument or animate, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm showing you a complete zero-to-hero workflow. We aren't just making a song. We are using Tunee to compose the track, Gemini and Whisk for consistent characters, and Veo to turn it into a movie. I'll even show you a secret workflow to fix the biggest problem with AI video: character consistency and lip syncing. So grab your headphones and let's start creating. Our first step is to create a song. I am using Tunee AI to create songs because it has some extra features that other AIs do not have. Here you can create music from images, videos, and sounds. And from that music you can create videos, lyric videos. Here you can separate a single song into individual tracks like vocals, drums, and instruments. So, let's start by creating a song first. To create a song, we need an idea or lyrics. It's better if you have lyrics. If not, then enter your idea and click on the Start Cooking button. Tunee analyzes your idea and actually gives you options on which direction to go. It suggests classic, folk, or dreamy. You have to choose any one. Now, it generates the lyrics for us. If you are not satisfied with it, you can recreate it. Once you are satisfied with the lyrics, click on the Confirm button. It will generate 2 different variations of songs for you within a minute.
Frost paints lace on the glass, while your scarf still warms the hook. I haven't moved it. Frost paints lace on the glass, while your scarf still warms the hook. I haven't moved it since you looked.
I'm going to create a new song, but this time I'm pasting in my own lyrics. For best results, add the styles you need along with the lyrics. Then, it will ask you to confirm the lyrics. If everything is correct, click on the confirmation button. Now, wait for a minute for the music to be created.
I trusted you more than I trusted myself. In return, you gave me a fake smile and nothing else. You said you'd stay close, never let go of my hand. So why are you waking up? I trusted you more than I trusted myself. In return, you gave me a fake smile and nothing else.
Okay, if you are happy with the result, you can download it. And if you want to create a short video for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you can do that from here. Click on Create MV to create a short video. Here you will get two options to choose the duration of the video. Just select the one you like. Next, you need to select which part of the song you want to visualize.
This color-changing city you trade.
Then click on the Next button. Now, select the visual style, aspect ratio, and click on the Generate button. Wait for a while. It may take 1 to 2 minutes for the video to be created. Here is the result.
But I see now, I'm just a guest in your chest. It was all just acting.
For downloading your music, click the three-dot icon and download. Now select a file format and click the download button. Okay, our music is ready. Now let's switch to the advanced workflow for total creative control. Open your browser and head over to Gemini. Upload the music file we just created. Now, here is the secret sauce. I have created a master prompt that analyzes the song and generates image prompts for every single scene automatically. I've put a link to this prompt in the video description below. Copy it, paste it into Gemini, and hit enter. Gemini will now break down your lyrics and give you 2 specific image prompts for every scene: the first frame and the last frame. Now, open a new tab and go to Whisk. First, we need our star. Copy the character reference prompt from Gemini and paste it here. Again, copy the visual style prompt and paste it below the character prompt. Now, hit Generate. This establishes our main character so they look the same in every shot. Now, let's build the scenes. Go back to Gemini, copy the Scene 1 first frame prompt and paste it into Whisk. Copy the visual style prompt and paste it too. Select the aspect ratio and click Generate. Again, copy the last frame prompt and replace it with the first frame. And click Generate. Create all the images in the same way. I'm going to fast forward here so you don't have to watch me copy-paste for 10 minutes. The goal is to create a start image and an end image for every section of the song. If you run into issues, let me know in the comments. Once you have all your images, download them. Here is the pro tip. Rename your files like Scene 1 Start and Scene 1 End. This will save you a massive headache later. Time to animate. Open a new tab and go to Google Flow. Select the Frame to Video tool. This is why we created 2 images per scene. Now click on the plus icon and upload the first frame of the first scene. At the same time, upload the last frame of the first scene. This tells the AI exactly where to start and where to end. For the movement, go back to Gemini and copy the video prompt for Scene 1. Paste that into the input box. Once everything is done, hit Generate. Now, just repeat this process for every scene. By using start and end frames, we ensure smooth transitions between clips. Once all your clips are generated, download them one by one. We are now ready to put it all together. After creating all the animated clips, it's time to merge everything. For this demonstration, I will use the CapCut desktop app, but you can use Premiere, DaVinci, or whatever you are comfortable with. Open your editor and import all your video clips and the original music file. Now start dragging your clips scene by scene onto the timeline. Also add the music onto the timeline. But wait, if we look at our main character, she isn't actually singing. We are missing the lip sync. Let's fix that immediately. For this, I'm using DreamFace. It's a great tool for this, and currently, it is free to use. Click here to upload the video clip of your character, specifically the close-up shots where the lyrics are sung. Next, click the Audio tab. Upload the same song file we created earlier. This ensures the mouth movements match the lyrics perfectly. Hit Generate and give it a minute.
My dream, all of my dreams.
Once it's ready, download the new file and import this version back into your video editor. Now, replace the static clip with the lip-synced version. See the difference?
Dreams shattered like glass on the floor.
It brings the character to life. Now, adjust the length of your clips to match the rhythm of the music. You want the scene to change exactly when the beat hits. In the final step, add some smooth transitions between scenes and maybe some subtle sound effects to blend it all together. Once everything looks perfect, click Export. Make sure your settings are high quality and you are ready to upload to social media.
I trusted you more than I trusted myself. In return, you gave me a fake smile and nothing else. You said you'd stay close, never let go of my hand. So why are you waking up in another's land? All of my dreams shattered like glass on the floor. You walked away, leaving me at the door.
And that's the full workflow. I've added links to all the tools and my master prompt in the description below so you can try this yourself. If you learned something new, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Learn Up for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.